I'm back at it with another wig review. If you guys want to hear my thoughts on this wig, please continue watching. Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. My name is Morgan. I am a licensed cosmetologist and a professional makeup artist, and a lover of all things theatrical. Today we're going to be doing a wig review of the Neesha Soft and Natural Lace Front Wig. This is Neesha 204, and I ordered her in the color Dark 4 Ginger Brown. Alright, let's jump into it. Okay, so I got Miss Neesha on ebonyline.com, and right now it retails for $27.98 plus shipping. So like I mentioned, it's a lace frontal. It says that you can heat it up to 400 degrees, and it has a nice natural texture. So let's go ahead and take her out of the package. Oh, she's got volume, honey. Yes. Oh, I like her already. Okay, so I mean, look at this, guys. The length is perfect. I think this is wonderful for every day, or just kind of going out nice and casual. You don't have to worry about it getting caught on anything. It's a believable length, which I like. It's really soft. The color is really pretty. Outre's done it again. I mean, it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It is reading a little bit more orangish reddish in person than it is on camera. On camera, it looks more warm brown, but they're both really beautiful. This color is extremely pretty, and it's different, and it's a little edgy, so I kind of like it. I also really like the curl pattern and how easy it is to just kind of run your fingers through it. I could see this wig lasting a really long time, which is nice. Let me go ahead and comb her out so that we can see what the texture looks like in the back. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and swing around so that you guys can see what it looks like from all angles. It's really easy to comb out as well. Okay, if I had to rate Miss Neesha 204, I would give her a 10 out of 10. I think that it's really beautiful. I love the color, love the length, love the curl pattern. The adjustable band is nice. It's not going anywhere. It fits my head, and there were several links. So if you have a larger head, it'll work for you. If you have a smaller head, it'll work for you. The lace was really nice. I did go ahead and color it, and also use my foundation color down the middle parting so that it looks a little bit more believable. Yeah, I have like zero complaints. I've got nothing bad to say. It's nice. It's really pretty, and I'll definitely be wearing it again. If you guys enjoyed this review, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up on this video. I would truly appreciate it. And also, if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you. I upload videos weekly, and I'd love to see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day. Bye!